Hello, I'm Kerem. I am coming from Turkey, but I'm currently finishing my bachelor's in an exchange program in Budapest. So traveling around a bit. I am studying psychology, and I was quite involved in mental health advocacy. That was the time I also had a chance to explore the intersection of mental health and human rights. Then I became more interested to dive deep in the field of human rights more. And I am coming from a lot of different backgrounds, some communities, and so for me it's very important to speak up for, be their voices practically. I am very interested in taking part of this laboratory because it handles human rights in a very innovative and a creative way. So that actually challenged the mainstream idea of human rights education, human rights communication, the context of human rights in general. So I was very excited. I think the most important lesson I learned today from the activities we did and the discussions we had, is always leaving a space for genuine human connection when talking about professional and important things. So there is no strict walls surrounding us while we are talking about human things with humans. So I think we should always be aware of this. For me, the tool of humor is coming from the natural way of communication for me. So I'm using humor not as a very planned or structured tool, but how I interact with the communities. That, for example, when I deliver a training session, the way I deliver it, the way I engage with participants, always humorous. But first, making sure of that safe space that we created as a community. And I also use a lot of memes, caricatures, some type of videos to gather attention and distract as well, or give my participants or the people I am engaging with a small pause during the discussions or the hot topics. So yeah, that's how I use mostly.